Today we're heading to San Diego to see the TubeBuddy team. The train is underway.
Good day, folks.
Thank you. You as well. Are you ready for your live stream today?
Can't wait.
Finally get Phil on the TubeBuddy channel.
Can we just put you up there and say, I'm really Phil?
It's all been a giant ruse. So what is healthy that's nearby then?
I mean, we did the sandwich and salad place last time you were here.
Yes.
Hannah went there yesterday without us.
Why?
I'm a traitor.
She was
So
cheating.
I drink this tea every day, and Katie gets upset every day because she hates the smell of the
Such a
spicy
high
tea.
maintenance brat.
But I love spicy everything. So this Good Earth tea is like a staple in my diet. And if you like spicy tea, I'm not sponsored, but this is really good.
Hashtag not an ad.
This is not an ad. This is
It's
literally I drink this tea
disgusting.
every day.
Don't.
It's so
I'm getting.
good.
I like how I'm getting
Disgusting.
differences of opinion here.
She
Oh,
oh,
ugh.
love it.
No.
She thinks it's disgusting. I think it's amazing. Takes a bunch of people to make this world go around. Oh, also they say inspirational quotes on them.
What is
This one
today's?
says, "Never wish life were easier. Wish that you were better."
Oh.
Spicy tea and memes aside, where are we going to lunch?
Got everything. Mexican, Chinese.
And then walks away, and I'm just standing there like, it wasn't me, but like, you're so rude. What if it was? Like, everybody poops, right? Like, that's rude. And she didn't come in. She left. She did a pivot turn. She's like, and I was like, ma'am, like, that's dramatic.
That's hysterical.
I know.
Hannah.
I was really offended, and I was like, what if I had gone? I would have felt like so upset. Like, I feel like that's just like unnecessary. That's judgment for a bodily function.
You just want to poop in peace?
Everybody poops.
I'm like,
Not
ma'am,
a
you didn't
book.
have to like shame me. There's like, you know, there's different types of shaming, and I didn't know there was like public rest.
We're getting barbecue on Phil's recommendation. We talked about band names, and then we have our stream. Gonna be a productive day.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face.
Are live with TubeBuddy CEO. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. As Andrew and everybody knows, I absolutely love being on this, and I'm very excited for this.
This is a treat to get Phil on today. So, Phil, today we are just going to be focusing mostly on some questions that I know our audience has. I know that a lot of our users have been asking. We're getting people coming in already. I just wanted to take this time to welcome everyone in chat. So, Phil, we are going to go immediately to brass taxes. So, everyone wants to know, TubeBuddy for Android. When is it coming out? What's the status? Can you let us know anything?
Sure. I wish this was a big reveal, but we can give you some information. First of all, thanks for everybody's patience. To be honest, it was kind of a coin flip that we chose iPhone first. I happen to have an iPhone, so it was easier for me to develop it. It wasn't that we're iPhone fans versus Android. I think we're pretty evenly split around the TubeBuddy offices. But yeah, so last couple days ago, we sent out a tweet, got some beta testers on the Android version. I think all the bugs are worked out. Everything is really ready to go. So at this point, unless anything crazy comes up, we should be able to submit it to Google potentially by the end of this week. And then we'll just wait for them to review it. And once they give it the go-ahead, it'll be live.
I'm going to preface this with I'm awful at ping pong.
All right, rally for serve.
I don't know what it even I got
Yeah, I take it back. Maybe I am better than him.
I told you.
All right,
Finally found somebody.
you get to serve. 29.
Oh, Phil. Having way too much fun.
Good game.
At least I got a 33 points. That's what I want.
Yeah, got like half.
Phil still remains the ping pong master.
Hannah, explain what you're doing.
Trying to make the basket so that I can get my name on the wall.
So far, it's only Jim.
Like Jim. Like Jim.
Go for it, Hannah.
Woo!
Ooh, that was close. Do you think anyone else will ever be added to the wall, Katie?
I mean, I'm so confident in Phil because he's just amazing at everything.
Especially live stream interviews.
It slipped out of my hand.
Sure.
All right, one more shot.
Okay, one more try. I don't work well under pressure.
Ready, go.
It's hard because you hit the ceiling so easily.
3 tries, so I'll give it my 3 tries.
We usually give ourselves 10, but sure, 3 works.
Are you gonna?
We'll go, you get 5 tries, and then as long as you hit something, you get to keep going.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for that.
It's a doozy.
Called a Phil shot.
Make sure that toe's behind the line. I would hate for you to make it, and then I'd have to be like,
I would hate for us to have to fire you over this.
Jesus. Okay, so would you like our tricks or
Yes.
no? Okay, so the arc is important, and you don't want it to be too hard.
I like how we all have tips even though we've never met it.
But I think we all agree
But that is
Yeah.
the closest we've ever come.
those are, yeah.
that was a good arc. That
I
was,
feel like if
that was
that
good.
was over here, it would have been perfect.
Fair play.
Does Phil enjoy any other sports besides ping pong?
Phil enjoys office basketball.
Long walks on the beach.
Long walks on the
Yeah,
beach.
tell them that.
Oh,
Long
that
walks
was
to
good.
the beach.
That was so close.
He was convinced that this was gonna be it. He's like, no, I've got
I would
the
laugh if you tried that and then you get it in the first time. That would be your
got
luck.
The secret. Got the secret.
It actually wasn't that bad.
That was just amusing.
There's a whole office culture I was not aware of at TubeBuddy.
I think we can keep our girlish figure.
Good to see you.
Bye.
Hannah, I'm not coming tomorrow. I'll see you Thursday.
Miss ya.
Where can people find you, Hannah?
Oh, they can find me at Hannah with the lipstick.
That's right.
That's going to be it for this vlog. It was a lot of fun. Got to see the TubeBuddy team, got to play some basketball, got to see some Old Town San Diego, and just got to experience a lot today. Let me know, have you ever been to Old Town San Diego? What are your thoughts on the TubeBuddy offices, the TubeBuddy team? I'm really curious. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, I'm Andrew Can, and if I can, you can too.